In this video, I will show you how to make a necklace with wire crochet. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories, and also we are involved in slow fashion and house accessories. So if you are new and passionate about high fashion case, please hit that subscribe button today. I do want to recycle or repurpose these two rings. I want to repurpose this. It's a bit broken if I can repurpose it. If not, then I have to find something else. And I want to repurpose this cord. I found this in the op shops. So I do have other materials that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use copper wire 0.3 millimeters. Also, I am going to use the two clasps, which are a bit beautiful and fancy. I am going to use lots of jump rings or open jump rings, natural stones, semi-precious stones, so about 3 to 5 millimeters. Got a big-eyed needle, and I have the hook for the crochet. I've got a pair of scissors, got my pliers that I always use and keep them with me, and I also need to use the wire cutters. So let's just start. So this is the necklace that we just finished for today, which is made of wire crochet and these beautiful ornaments. And I changed my mind. I did not put the chain. Thanks so much for watching. Please stay humble and wonderful.